Welcome to Flowbase Code. Let's see how to use the client tracker Notion template. So with the help of this particular client tracker template, you can try to track all your clients, the projects, leads, finances, and whatever task you're trying to do for each and every project. All these things can be easily maintained with the help of this particular template. So I'll walk you through how to use this complete template now. So first, on the home page, you can see you have the complete navigation over here. So the important categories you'll be able to see like the client, project, leads, finances, meeting, task. Then when I just try to come below, first you'll be able to see your profile. So you can just try to go and edit your details, like you can just try to have your name, when you joined, and then what is going to be your designation. You can just try to have it, and then a small message you can have. Then here on the center, you'll be able to see the insights. So here you have all the important KPIs over here. So you can see how many total clients you have, what is the total number of leads, how many are active, and then different key parameters you'll be able to completely track from here, from your profit to revenue, everything you'll be able to completely track from here. Then on the right hand side, you'll be able to see the time. Then what is the today's target? If you have any to-do list, you'll be able to see it. Then below when I come, you can see the calendar. And then on the left hand side, you will be able to see all the shortcut buttons to go and add a client, new lead, contact, project, like invoice, schedule a meeting, add document, testimonial, everything you'll be able to completely handle it from here. Then you can see you have the complete menu on the left hand side. So you can see the different menus for all the different categories. You'll be able to completely see it. Then bottom you will have the resources. Then when I just try to come up, so here you will be able to see the client acquisition trend. So once you upgrade, you will be able to completely see this particular chart over here. Then when I come down, you can see you have the client leads map view. So here you will be able to completely see all your clients. So here you can see all your clients over here. So if I try to go and click leads globally, so you will be able to see all your leads. So how many leads you have, all your leads on the map wise, you'll be able to completely see it over here. Then below this one, you can see you have the clients overview. So all your active clients, you'll be able to completely see it. So you can see all the details are completely there. So this from when they have been your client and the contact person, what is the priority, and then what is the project value. All these things you'll be able to completely see over here. Then when I come down, you can see the contract timeline view. So here you will be able to completely see the map view of the contract timeline. So you'll be able to completely see the map view of the contract timeline. So you can just try to go and have monthly view, or if you just try to go, you can just try to go and have the quarterly view like this. You can just try to go and change the view as your wish. So this is about the contract timeline view. Then when I just try to come on the right hand side, you can see you have the reminders, and then here you have the notifications. Like you can see you have different alerts like 2 invoices overdue, 3 issues to resolve, and 17 tasks are overdue. Then you can see the weekly updates over here, and then here you will be able to completely see the daily updates. Then here if any upcoming meetings are there, you will be able to completely see this over here. Then below this one, you will be able to see the pending invoices. So you can see the overdue and the pending invoices over here. So this is about the completely about the home page of the client tracker template.